Hey guys, it's Drea. So today I'm going to do palette bingo. I have never done a palette bingo on my channel. I've done variations on palette bingo, kind of like random shade challenges and that kind of thing, but I've never actually done palette bingo. So today I'm doing it on the new BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. So this is a 20 shade palette, very colorful. My love of BH eyeshadows is well known, so I absolutely had to pick this up when I saw how beautifully colorful it was, and you know, it's just my jam. So I figured it'd be fun to do a bingo on it. Anyway, we're just going to use random.org. I'm going to put in the numbers 1 to 20. I'm going to pick 4 shades. No, I'm going to pick 5 shades. That's how this is done, right? Yeah. I'm going to pick 5 different numbers and we're going to see what we come up with. So let's do it. It's kind of funny that the very first shade that it picks is the matte purple. I mean, could there be a better shade for me? No. So, yay. That was number 11, by the way. We have here Swag, Solstice, Magical, Carnival, and Ultimate. So there they are, all swatched out. Quite a few colorful shades. There's only one matte and it is the purple. So yikers, I don't know, man, what am I gonna do? The one color really throwing me off is that slate gray right there. So these 3 I think would be really easy, but I'm glad that we're kind of getting a little challenging just to see what we can do. So let's zoom in and start going at it. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye today. That's just kind of what I'm feeling. Obviously, I didn't say this before, but I did all my base makeup just, you know, to get that out of the way. I'm going to start with Swag, that matte purple, and just put it into the crease. So pigmented. I'm hoping that these are really blendable. This is my first time using this. I have not even swatched it before today. So it's pretty exciting. This color reminds me a lot of that ColourPop shadow I always talk about. 143, is that what it's called? I can never remember the name of it because it's just 3 numbers. So. But it reminds me a lot of that. So having only one matte could definitely be a little bit challenging. I feel like this purple actually blended out really easily. I think the silvery like slate gray and the purple are going to look really nice together. So I'm going to start my halo eye by using the silvery gray on the inner and outer part. I find a lot of times with many metallics in different palettes that you kind of have to wet your brush to get that most maximum payoff with it, unless it's like a synthetic brush sometimes, like the MAC 242. But anyway, this is like really, it has a lot of punch to it. So I think I'm gonna do the most colorful thing possible and put that blue right in the middle of that halo. I'll just start by using my finger. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. The silver, when I blend with the purple, it actually makes the silver look even more purple, which is kind of cool. Guys, I am just blown away by the quality of these shades. This is just really amazing. So the major downside with this palette so far is that there's a ton of fallout, and even though I left powder under my eye to catch it, it's like everywhere. So that kind of really sucks. Probably you should always do your eyes first with this palette. But I'm going to wipe it away and hopefully I don't like drag some of that gray into my foundation. I still have the color Solstice, which is like a metallic kind of pink, and then Magical, which is much more of a gold. And I think I'm going to try to use Magical as the inner corner highlight. It's not really super light, but it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of light enough I think I can get away with it. Trying to bring it up really high up into the purple, but I still feel like it's not really packing a ton of a punch. So I am actually going to wet this one with some Fix Plus and see if I can really get it to pop more. And then I'm going to go into Solstice, and I'm just going to put that under the lash line because honestly, don't really know what else to do with it. I'm just going to be sure to blend that kind of up into the purple on this side. I'm going to use some of the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil in my waterline and in my tight line. This is just the black one, M10. I'm going to curl my lashes, put on some mascara, and then I'm going to put on some really fluffy eyelashes, just something really voluminous. Alright, let's use some bronzer. This is Bali Sands from Becca. I've said this many times, bronzer is not my forte. I feel like it's never really well blended on me. I don't really know what I'm doing with bronzer. Hopefully it looks okay. So I just picked blush, lips, and highlight right now. I didn't have a plan obviously because I didn't know what I was going to get. I think this will work. This is Hard Candy Living Doll. This is one of my favorite blushes. It's so pretty. It's a little bit of a cool toned pink, which I think will be nice with this. Just for some real funsies, let's go for a duochromatic highlighter. This one is a purple shade. This is from NYX. It's called Lavender Steel. And it's definitely kind of, I don't want to say holographic, but definitely duochrome, which is what it says it is. And it has a definite purple shift, which I think is going to look really cool with this look. And then for lips, I'll use the lip liner by Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. And I also have this YSL liquid lipstick. This is called the Tatouage Couture Matte Stain, and this one is number 7. It's definitely neutral, which let's do some neutral lips with a colorful look like this. Why not? Alright, so this is what we end up with. Really colorful look. I'm really happy it ended up colorful and not just neutral or something. In some ways I feel like this is very me, and in other ways I feel like this is something I've never done before. So I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. But here's this palette. I definitely enjoyed my first use of it. I'm sure I'll be using it a lot more. But thanks so much for watching. I hope that you had fun. I like these type of videos because it definitely helps you to kind of step out of your comfort zone. You start with this and you go, what the heck am I going to do? And then you end up with something beautiful. So if you are new around here, definitely subscribe. I'd love to see you around in the future. All the products are listed down below, even the stuff that you didn't see me put on my face. As always, everything is always listed down below if you're interested. And that is it for today. So I hope that you're speaking kindly to yourself. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.